This is a website called rarity.tools. I just found it, so I wanted to make a quick video showing how it can help you buy and sell things on OpenSea. This goes by rarity. OpenSea doesn't do that, so you can also do a few things with the traits over here. A lot of these things you can already do on OpenSea. You can click by the trait and then search by the lowest price from there. But the cool thing that you can do here is you can search by a max amount of ETH. So say you only have 0.1 Ethereum. And you apply that and you put buy now because of auctions. So these are ones that you can buy right now for less than 0.1 Ethereum. You can buy, the rarest one is 1490 out of 10,000, and when you click on it, it shows you why it's the rarest. The face is the most rare part about this, the tiers, and then the next thing is the head with the gray cap. So the gray cap is fairly rare, and if you look at it on OpenSea and search for, always search for the Alien Boy, especially if someone sent you a link, because they could send you a link to somewhere else besides the Alien Boy collection with a fake picture. But if you come over here to these, you can look at the head, and let's go to the gray cap right here. There's 95 of them total. And then you sort by the lowest, and that's usually the best that you can do. But the rarity is that some of these have sunglasses and t-shirts that are also more rare than others. So the one for 0.1, this one right here, looks like it's the most rare, 44.84. All of these are pretty much the same price, but if you use this tool, you can see that 44.84 is the most rare out of all four of the ones that had the gray cap for the same price. So instead of just buying the cheapest one, also got to hit buy now here too. So that auction, a minimum auction, is sometimes hard to win. So again, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, three of them, and you should buy this one, it looks like, before these two. So 69.71, you can type in the number directly right here too, 69.71. This is ranked 5,000th. So I'm not sure exactly off the top of my head. I know that the hat is one of the most rare parts, but both of them had the hat, and this one is much more rare than the one with than the other one. So it's something to do with the tiers are even more rare than the gray cap, and then the skin is cinnamon, so that's another rare part. So all of those extra rarities together show that this is much more rare at 1490. So that one was 5,000th, and then 5407. All three have the gray cap. 5407. Ranked 4358th. So again, same price, but the rarity levels are significantly different. And when you search by rarity here, you're searching by minimum price, and then you're searching by the most rare. So the most rare is 1490, and then it goes up over 2,000 immediately, and then it goes over 3,000 pretty quickly. So if you were to scoop up, instead of just scooping the floor, for example, you might just, let's put nothing here, buy now, lowest price. If you wanted to scoop up some stuff off the floor, you'd be scooping not very rare, all way over 5,000 rank. And then you can come over here and search by the rank too if you wanted everything under 1,000. What is the lowest price under 1,000 rank? Number 966. You can get it for 0.15, and it's ranked 966. I can't even tell exactly why this one is rare just by looking at it, but if you click on it, it shows you the first most rare. It's the open wound on the face, and then the tired eyes, and then the mouth. So this one, let's see how low we get. 761. This is a good price. So it's quite a bit higher, 0.25 compared to 0.15, but the ranking goes down to 761. So you're getting a better one. And then you can change this to 500 and just see what the lowest price is. You can click enter. 496, 0.4 Ethereum. You can see how the price goes up pretty relatively to the way that I'm changing these rankings. And if you do this at 2,000, you're going to see some cheap ones right at the floor. That 1490 again. This is a good buy right here. Apparently, it just keeps coming up. This is another thing that you can do. So I'm going to undo that. Just get this back to normal. Okay, this is the most rare. This is a 1 of 1. Alright, so another thing you can do that you can't do on OpenSea is trait count. There are sometimes some very minimal trait counts right here. It doesn't have to be by now, I just want to see them all. Trait count 4, there's 16 of them. This one is the most rare, so there's no traits really. Only 4. it just shows you that it only has 4 traits, which makes it very rare compared to the rest of them, because if you undo this, it shows that some have 4 traits, some have 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is something that's not usually searched on OpenSea, so when you're listing these on OpenSea, you can't easily click like we did with the gray hat and look at the lowest price. You can't, there's no filter over here to show you on trait count and to say I only want to search for the ones that have 4 or 5. You have to come here first, look for the ones with 4, see which ones are for sale, click low to high, and then you can see the lowest one with 4 traits is 3.25, and if you undo that and go to 5 traits, the lowest price is 0.11 for a 5 trait. And then if you wanted to also filter by under 500 with 5 traits, this is 5 ETH. The lowest price for a rank under 500 with 5 traits is 5 ETH. So 555. That is rarity.tools. I really recommend using this as you're purchasing on here, and you can kind of go back and forth. So this is a cool tool that you can use to help you with OpenSea and to help you find not just the lowest price with a gray hat, but the lowest price rarity with a gray hat sometimes can be a little bit different. So give this tool a try.